To make your Threads account public, start by opening the Threads app on your device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top right corner. From your profile page, tap on the three dots icon located in the top right corner. This will open a menu with various options. Select the Settings option from the menu. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage your account settings. On the Settings page, scroll down to the Account section and select the Account Settings option. In the Account Settings page, look for the Private Account option. This is usually located under the Account Privacy section. By default, your account may be set to private, which means that only approved followers can see your posts. To make your account public, toggle the private account switch to the off position. Confirm that you want to make your account public by selecting the Yes option when prompted. Making your Threads account public means that anyone can see your posts and follow you without needing your approval. This can be useful if you want to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. But it also means that you will have less control over who sees your content. After making your account public, you can still control who sees your posts and interacts with you by using other features such as blocking or restricting certain users. It is also a good idea to review your posts and make sure they are suitable for a public audience. By following these steps, you can easily make your Threads account public and increase your online presence. Remember to always be mindful of your online safety and security, and use the available features to manage your account and protect your privacy.